Welcome to this tutorial on perfect numbers in JavaScript. Today, we're going to check if a number is perfect by summing its divisors. We will explore the logic and code behind this interesting problem. Let's get started with the basics of perfect numbers. Perfect number equals the sum of all its proper positive divisors. For instance, 6 is perfect as its divisors 1, 2, and 3 add up to 6. We aim to create a function that tests this property. This concept is key in number theory and fascinating to explore. We first initialize a variable to accumulate the sum of proper divisors. A loop runs from 1 to half the input number to check the 4 factors. Each divisor found is added to the sum. Finally, we compare the sum to the original number to decide perfection. The loop runs only up to half of the number since divisors lie below this limit. Every divisor is added to create an aliquot sum of the number. Once the loop ends, we compare the sum with the number itself. If they match, this number is perfect, otherwise it is not. Let's test the code with different inputs, such as 6, 28, and 12. For 6 and 28, the sum of proper divisors equals to the number itself. For 12, the sum exceeds the number, showing it is not perfect. This analysis confirms that our function works as expected. Perfect numbers are more than a mathematical curiosity. They impact modern research. They can be used to design secure cryptographic systems and detect errors in data. Many of math puzzles and educational tools use perfect numbers as examples. Understanding them deepens your appreciation for both theory and practical applications. To recap, our JavaScript function successfully checks for perfect numbers. We loop through potential divisors and sum them before making a comparison. Our examples confirm the method works for non-perfect and non-perfect numbers. Thank you for tuning in, keep coding, and exploring the wonders of math in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.